Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to change your address on your Capital One credit card. Whether you're moving houses, relocating for work, or just updating your info for 2025, this process is straightforward and can save you from potential headaches like delayed bills or security issues. I'm excited to walk you through it step by step, so you can get it done in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. First things first. The easiest way to update your address is through the Capital One website or mobile app. Start by logging into your Capital One account. If you're on the website, go to CapitalOne.com and enter your username and password. If you prefer the app, open it on your phone and log in there. It's just as simple. Once you're in, navigate to the Account Services or Profile section. This is usually found in the menu or dashboard. Look for something that says Settings or Personal Information. Now, in the Profile section, you'll see options to edit your contact details. Find the address field. It's often under Mailing Address or Primary Address. Click on it and enter your new address accurately. Double-check for any typos, like street names or zip codes, because accuracy is key to avoiding delivery problems. After you've made the changes, hit Save or Update. Capital One might ask for verification, like sending a code to your phone or email, so keep an eye out for that. If you're not comfortable going online, you can always call Capital One's customer service. Their number is on the back of your card or on their website. Just explain that you need to update your address, and they'll guide you through it over the phone. This method is great if you have questions or need help with multiple accounts. One quick tip. Always update your address across all your financial accounts for consistency, and consider notifying the post office if you're moving. Also, remember that changes might take a day or two to process, so plan ahead. There you have it. That's how to change your address on your Capital One credit card in 2025. It's quick, secure, and keeps your info up to date. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.